Hello everyone, if you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make pan-fried potato whole wheat flour bread. That is delicious aloo paratha. Let's see the ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. 5 potatoes. Wash and scrub thoroughly. Rinse it thoroughly. We are going to boil it. So rinse it thoroughly. And while boiling it in water, we are going to add half teaspoon of salt in water. You can boil it or otherwise you can steam it in pressure cooker for 3 whistles. 1 green chilli, oil 6 tablespoons, or you can use clarified butter if you like, that is ghee, 6 tablespoons. Salt as per taste, or 4 teaspoon instant, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup whole wheat flour, as well as 1/4 cup for dusting. Let's make the dough first. 1 cup whole wheat flour, add pinch of salt, let's add water little by little and knead the dough. Add 1 teaspoon oil and knead the dough. Our dough is ready. See. So our dough is ready. Let's chop the green chilli. Chop it finely. So I have mashed potatoes here. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. And let's add salt as per taste, or 1/4 teaspoon. As well as we are going to add chopped green chilli, 1 chopped green chilli. Let's mix this all together and our stuffing is ready. So stuffing is ready. So our dough is ready. We kept it for rest for 15 minutes. Let's make 4 little small balls of the dough. So the 4 balls are ready. So let's take dry wheat flour. Spread some dry whole wheat flour on rolling board and spread it on rolling pin too. And now we are going to roll these 2 balls in small circle. So we have rolled 2 rotis. We are spreading our stuffing on it, on one of the roti. Spread it just like this. Spread it generously. Spread it just like this. Now take the other roti, that is other paratha, and put it, stick it. Take some dry flour and sprinkle on above it, and let's just roll it slightly again it. So our paratha is ready now. Let's fry it on fry pan. Make other paratha in similar manner. Take 2 balls, roll it in circle, round shape. Then above one roti, spread some stuffing just like this. And now we are going to put the second roti above it. Take some water. Spread it just like this. Some water to the sides. So that it will stick properly. Now I am going to do this design. See, just fold it like this and again fold it just like this. And it's the design, way of styling the paratha. See? Okay, how I'll show you. See? So this is round and I have made the designs at the edge of paratha. Similarly, you can do it. So what will happen that the stuffing will not come out. Let's heat the fry pan and put our paratha in it. Flip the paratha. Add oil on it. You can use clarified butter or white butter if you have. Shouldn't call it potato pancake. Pancakes are different and paratha is different. Totally different actually. So potato paratha is ready. We can call it pan-fried potato whole wheat flour bread. This is our first paratha, which I rolled it again after putting that second roti above it. And let me show you our styled paratha. Show you the stuffing. This. I tore it to show you how the stuffing will look. This is our first paratha. So this is our styled paratha. I made designs at the edges. Look. So the stuffing will not come out. It's better because the stuffing didn't come out. So our hot pan fried potato whole wheat flour bread is ready. I have served it with some peanut butter, but you can serve it with yogurt or mint chutney. Yogurt will go better with it. Check the description box for its ingredients, and you must try my fried Bengal gram flour noodles vegetable recipe 2 or Sevpuri recipe 2. It's link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, you can do it. See you in my next video.